My very warm greetings to everyone attending this section. My name is Vignesh Mani and I would like to introduce myself as the founder of the organization Thotakaran. The name Thotakaran has its origin from the Tamil language where it means gardener. We have been abusing and exploiting our mother earth for a long time till now, where the damage has become irreversible. Yes, I strongly believed that this is not too late to act. Thus, I started Thotakaran. To be able to spread greenery in my surrounding as much as possible. Also, while being able to bring a smile to many faces around me, the very motto of Thotakaran is planting your happiness, which is strongly believed it happens when we make our earth a better place to live in. Thotakaran does not only mean planting a single tree for every person. We aim to educate people in understanding the nature of the plant rearing and its maintenance. Food is an essential component to our survival. Yes, most of us don't know how we get our food and we exploit them, waste them without knowing the hardship faced by the farmer in getting that food to you. It is well known that when we put in our own effort in doing something, only then we would learn the value of getting our rewards out of it. Thus, Thotakaran innovation to make gardening a daily routine for every individual in an household where they would able to grow, nourish and cultivate their own fruits and vegetables needed for their day-to-day life. Doing it does not mean that we need to have a huge space at our house. The allotment of a small space from our house would go for a long way in run. This concept is called as urban farmer. The role of an urban farmer is to cultivate their own vegetables, fruits, greens and herbs right from their homes. Thotakaran dreamt of baking this concept throughout the metropolitan cities in India, and starting it was a challenging task for us. We need to make farming easy, enjoyable and mostly feasible, for which we had to experiment on a lot of things to come up with a convenient and budget friendly. After a lot of research, Thotakaran was finally set up to be able to provide a complete setup for those who wish to become an urban farmer with very less maintenance and care. We were able to get a decent amount of yield. Of course, the wonderful part that is we need very less space for doing this. We can also use our terrace to set up a complete garden at our very own disposal. Terrace gardening is very simple. All we need in order to do a terrace gardening are grow bags, coco peat and the soil. Grow bags are the container that will be holding the plant and the soil, which is very similar to the traditional pot but just more efficient. It allows for the comfortable growth of the roots of the plants as an extended lifetime and comes in various shapes and size as per the convenience and the need. Coco peat is the coconut fiber which will be used to retain moisture and they absorb a lot of water, thus frequent watering of the plant can be reduced, and the soil used for terrace gardening must be good quality, and fertilizer like cow dung should definitely be used. Even the vegetable waste remains from our home serves as a good fertilizer for plants. Apart from providing your own fruits and vegetables, terrace gardening comes with several other benefits like reducing the temperature of your home by 6 to 8 degrees, reducing your air conditioning costs, insulating your house against the heat and cold, reduces sound pollution, provides an habitat for birds and increase the amount of oxygen around you. Farming has also become a business due to the demand, and in the process we end up in taking lot of pesticides and other harmful chemicals used. By having our own garden, we could enjoy all this without any side effects. We hope to spread this knowledge and encourage every individual to take up gardening, where every one of us can become an urban farmer. I kindly ask everyone to join hands to make our environment a better place to live in, both for us and the future generation. Please feel free to contact me anytime regarding any queries related to gardening.